I am getting lag because it's urgent and this message needs to be delivered as soon as possible. The biggest threat to humanity is right now already available. The biggest threat ever to the humanity is artificial intelligence, AI. The AI can impact human a lot. AI can change the way we are living right now. AI will be hugely impacting our humanity. You are already seeing the effect everywhere on social media. Even the work you do has an impact. AI has impact, and it will immensely affect the human being, not in a positive way. It will impact in a negative way. A lot of people will be losing the jobs already. Now the jobs will be a blue collar job, white collar job, as well as normal layman jobs. All will be destroyed due to this AI. So we need to limit the use of AI as soon as possible. It might be that chat gpt and other AI which are useful to even to make videos and to make a lot of things right now being happening with the help of AI. So we need to limit that use and we need to restrict. Then only our human race can survive, our humanity will be remain, else it will all be destroyed. Right now the plans are also being made to install emotions into these robots, into this artificial intelligence robot, which is very much dangerous, right? And if even if you are into medical history, even if you are into medical field, then those doctors which are psychotherapists or which are into psychology and psychiatry, they used to study the patients for longer period of time, but this robot will able to detect the problem in the human as fast as possible. They can already detect the longer history, the previous history of the human, and that way they can immediately on the go they can provide the solutions. And all these are happening through a lot of data been incorporated into this artificial intelligence, into the bots. So this is the eye-opening stuff we need to take. We need to take action against this. This is the right time, this is the correct time, right? A lot of changing. The matrix is also opening. It is an eye opening. People are just awakening about the truth. The matrix, the lies that you have been told throughout your life, maybe it's regarding to your race, to your beliefs, to your religion, to your color, any damn thing. Now people are awakening from the truth, and this is the time to be awakened, right? To be against this, right? Because we are human in nature. Being free is our birthright. Abundance is our natural state, and all this will vanish when the robot will take over to humanity. So I highly encourage you to limit the use of this AI as soon as possible and try to ban this from our system. Maybe in a possible way, try to just go against this artificial intelligence. This will have a huge impact on the society, your brain, your thinking, each and every manner, because you are already using that. Whatever you are using, the bots and the AI is collecting the data from you. So if you are using more and more AI, more and more robots, then they will be using more and more data, and then they will become more superior as compared to that of humans, which will be very much challenging for us. So that's what my update for this AI is. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this, then do hit the like, share and subscribe, and see you.